hell is going on? I'm Woody Woodpecker. I see that, Woody Woodpecker. And listen, Woody Woodpecker, don't get fresh with me. Come on. I'm gonna get this Woody Woodpecker and I'm gonna teach him a lesson. About what, Luigi? About manners. Really, he's so rude. Get on my tippy toes and I'm gonna get him and teach him a lesson. I'm not really compelled by any of these little storylines you have going on, Mommy. I mean, could you maybe create a mystery or some suspense, and then there's some incentive to, you know, go after them. Okay, Harold, well, this is a little chicken. Oh. Well, again, I'm not compelled. What the hell is that? Are you giving Harold something better? Don't worry, Luigi, not really. Okay, because I want to make sure I have all the toys that I need to know about. And I don't want Harold to be getting anything better than me. Okay, Hizzie.